Hi there, I'm Amanda Riley and I'm a fashion designer, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of these, a reusable, upcycled, reversible face mask with a filter. Some tightly woven cotton, a vacuum cleaner bag, a sewing machine or a needle and thread, ruler, a pen, some paper, garden wire or thin wire, elastic, thin elastic or a rubber band, and some pins and scissors. Fold an A4 sheet of paper in half lengthways. From here to here is 15 centimetres. Draw in all of your straight lines, then draw in the curves. Once you've cut this shape out, you'll end up with this. To make the filter template, draw a rectangle 21 by 13 centimetres and then cut away the corners until you are left with this shape. Grab your pins and your scissors, double your fabric over, and we're ready to pin and cut. To make your filter, you'll need one of these, a HEPA fabric vacuum cleaner bag. You can cut lots of filters from one bag, and they have a capture rate of 86%. Thread up your machine in matching thread and using a straight stitch, just sew the curved edges. Iron all four edges back by 2 centimetres. Turn the lining inside out and slide inside the outer shell. Pin the two pieces together like this, using 3 pins. In the centre, match up your seams, and the seam allowances should go in opposite directions. Then do the same along the other edge. Using a 1 centimetre seam allowance, stitch along the edge of the fabric, keeping it nice and flat, all the way to the end, and back stitch like this. And when you've done that, do the other side. Now the mask is in one piece, we need to sew a line of stitching to make the casing for the wire to go inside. With a 1 centimetre seam allowance, or the edge of the presser foot on the edge of the fabric, sew a line of stitching all the way along one edge and back stitch at the ends. This will make the casing for the wire to go inside. Take either your rubber band or your elastic and slide a maximum of 1 centimetre inside the ends of the mask and either machine or hand stitch in place. Then do the other side. Here's the finished item. If you'd like more details on the filters, please head to my website. And if you're going out this weekend, please follow social distancing government guidelines.